To connect AMP to Tradingview, start by visiting the official website and searching for AMP in the Products, Community, and Markets sections. If AMP is not available, an alternative option can be used, such as Tesla, for demonstration purposes. Once in the chart view, click on the inverted V icon at the bottom of the screen to access various tools, including the stock screener and trading panel. The trading panel will display a list of brokers, where AMP can be selected by clicking on its logo. A choice between live and demo modes will be presented, with the demo option being selected for this purpose. After clicking Connect, a login screen will appear, requiring the entry of a Tradingview username and password. Upon signing in, the Tradingview platform will be accessed, with the AMP broker charts available. This completes the process of connecting AMP to Tradingview.